that we have the Little Mermaid group.
Hi, I'm the Batman.
Hi, I'm Li Shan. Hi, I'm the Emperor.
Hi, I'm Grandmother. Wait, Father. I want to go to the city, okay? Okay, then Mulan went to the city. What are you doing here, Emperor?
I am here because I want to meet you rest.
Okay, but who will guard the palace?
Alright, Li Shan will guard the palace.
Okay.
Hi, Emperor. Hi, Mulan.
Hi, Li Shan.
Wait, if you are, then who will guard the palace? No one.
Bang!
Bam! Bam!
What is happening, Li Shan? You go to a safe place with the Emperor, and I'll see what's happening.
But
Go! Hey, you thieves, come out! It's safe now. Come out.
you two did a good job.
Thanks, Emperor.
Let's celebrate.
Dad, do you know that the Emperor invited you to go to the celebration party? Oh, is it true? Yes.